Hey, what is up, guys? We're gonna be doing a Talkies challenge.
So that's right there. It's a bowl of it. So what do you gotta do? You gotta try to eat the whole bag.
I'll try to, but
The whole bag is a pound. So
and look at this cheap bag. Look perfectly. It broke and I just opened it.
So he also has a little bit of milk right there.
I just didn't check where I got most of because I might feel like getting an actual glass. Okay, let's go. Is it pointing at me?
Yep. How's it, sir? There we go, that's all better looking. It's here in almost a minute and 30 in.
God, this is hell. It's not even burning that bad yet, though. And also, like, if you want me to do more challenges. My mouth's not burn after this, like that.
I'm actually taking a crap, oh my god. I only had 3 minutes, 30 seconds basically. How's your mouth feel?
It doesn't hurt that bad. Once this one I eat tacos, it doesn't actually burn for a while.
What's worse, Talkies or the Doritos Dynamites?
About the same. There's no ambition bag now.
You should try fishing at least 2 bowlfuls. I'm at 4 minutes 15 seconds.
I don't care how long it is. More ad revenue I make off of it.
That dog is so...
Your milk. Hey, I have to have multiple clips of this because My mom texted my Max at the end of the video, so here's my milk. And let's get started. Again.
That was Talkies' turn. Are you sweating?
Oh, I'm gonna have to do 2 spoonfuls. That's my goal, too.
And you almost clapped your first one.
This will take forever to upload.
Guys.
Burn my mouth off.
That's why I have milk. What's that?
My eyes are watering. God.
What? Okay, I almost had 2 minutes on this new video. Almost like 7 minutes.
Oh my god.
Come on, put the shit in your mouth. Show me.
You would have gave up by now.
I know. What's worse, Warhead Challenge or this? Since that we could upload one Warhead Challenge video.
I can't remember. Fuck! Yeah, I went to watering. Fucking shit. If we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll eat a ghost pepper.
That should be a pretty good challenge. Or a Carolina Reaper, I think is another one. I'm not sure.
I'll probably die in the video, but go to fucking hospital.
I could probably some more. There's only like 5 minutes. There's only like 3 left in there. Come on, sure.
Maybe more milk. Yeah.
Oh, it's your much profanity.
Oh, my shit's not gonna feel good.
If I also got run out of memory now.
Here we go. This is literally torture. This video might be 20 minutes long, who knows?
It's already after you got almost a 20-minute mark.
Please leave a like for my page. Fucker.
Yeah, you like. Oh god, I can't do this.
This other child's is a pussy compared to us. I don't want to do it now.
Huh?
Oh. What Talkie fucking burns my mouth off now.
You still think it's worse than?
Hey, what is up, guys? Okay, first time my mom texted Max and the clip ended. This time we ran out of memory and to delete some stuff. So yeah, it's a camera pointing at me.
Third cut. Let's do it.
And our like goal today is 10 likes. You know, I doubt I'll hit it because people hate me.
Okay, turn.
Let's
Keep
go.
going, because I'm running out of memory again. I stuffed those things down. You stink.
Stop encouraging people to chuck me down when you be doing this.
Huh?
Stop encouraging people to chuck me down when you be doing this.
I know, I'll be doing it one at a time.
Here we go.
Don't puke on a rug, Sarah. It'll be a red puke too. Kira already had a minute 5 on this clip. I read her 2 days ago you puked up in the tail, so it's not due to Talkies this time.
There's no way I can complete this.
Fine, Tara, it's not that bad. I know, I probably could have finished half a bowl.
Fuck this shit, I can't do it. I can't do it, guys, I'm sorry. Oh, we're showing my tongue.
Oh my god.
Is my tongue red?
Yeah.
Like, the end it. Like, subscribe. Our like goal today is 10 likes. It won't hit it right here, like 0 and 12 thumbs down. So like, comment, subscribe. Peace.